to it, but.
Oh. I have a friend that could help you.
7.5, apply properties of logs.
Hey, you can choose your color today.
We already
That's
said that.
literally what we just said.
Properties. Let B, M, and N be positive numbers. Such that B is not equal to 1. The product property is log base B of M times N is equal to log base B of M plus log base B of N.
I hope no one ever watches these videos because they're kind of mean.
We're going to for notes next year.
Really? Oh, hey guys.
Julia says hi. The log of the product
I'll probably be just listening, watching the video and not listening.
Probably
by
just
the
is
laugh.
equal
Maybe what we do.
No, I'm saying,
to
like,
the
by this part
sum
of the year, they probably won't even be listening to the videos.
of the logs. Should put a code word in here.
Isn't that what you used to do? Yeah, at the end of them.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna start doing it like
You should probably do it for geometry.
they don't do. I could not
This
do a
is
flipped
the
classroom
class
with them.
That's gonna take this next year. And all they're gonna hear is, you should probably do it for geometry.
Well, if I did it, I think I would do it where they have to be listening. Like I wouldn't write what the word is. They would just have to listen for it. It's the whole point. We can always go back to doing it in class and having homework. People don't want to listen to them.
Log.
So the statement that is in green is kind of my little catchphrase that I got from Mr. Cass when he taught it. So the log of a product is equal to the sum of the logs, and it also works vice versa.
Do you think he's older than not Mr. Patton, Mrs. Patton? Or like, younger?
I think he's younger, right?
I think he's younger,
So
but not
Miss
by a
Patton told me
lot.
he was younger by like 2 years.
Yeah,
It's so cute how he comes and does carpool every day.
it's very nice.
It's very kind.
Because if not, we'd have to be out there a whole lot more than we're out there. Low-key, I think I'd rather be in the lunchroom than in carpool. Unless it's like nice weather. When it's
I don't
nice
know
weather,
the
I
lunchroom.
definitely would prefer carpool.
I don't know, the lunchroom brings out a different side of you.
It's funny stuff too.
The middle schoolers. All right, quotient property. Log base B of M divided by N is equal to log base B of M minus log base B of N. Catchphrase for this one. The log of the quotient is equal to the difference of logs. Then we've got the power property, which is log base B of M raised to the N is equal to N times the log base B of M. Catchphrase for this one, throw it out front.
That's easy. Do we need to memorize all these?
You don't need to memorize the names, but I mean, you need to know how to use the property themselves. But I'm not going to ever ask you, like, what's the name of this property?
What's the catch?
Some teachers do, but I don't. The catchphrases could be extra credit on something.
Ooh.
Hint, hint, wink, wink.
I can't see. Oh, wait.
Just throw out catch.
What?
I can't think quick.
Change of base formula.
Is that Jonah?
Jordan has a few things on
If A, B, and C are...
Good now, just swipe up.
What is happening?
Doesn't scroll with
Positive numbers with B not equal to 1 and C not equal to 1, then log base C of A is equal to log base B of A over log base B of C. Now, this is obviously a little bit different than the way I wrote it yesterday. We can use the change of base formula to change it to any other base that we want to. But the way that I showed you yesterday, and the way that if your calculator doesn't have the base option, or however it is, whatever, if you're using a different type of calculator, whatever, then you have to use the common log, or we can use natural log. So the other options for how I can do this is I can say log base C of A is equal to log of A over log of C. So if I already know if I'm not trying to change it to a specific base, typically when they tell you, for the sake of what you're doing, use the change of base formula, they want you to rewrite it using either common or natural logs. If they don't specify, you can pick whichever one you want. And then they'll tell you to find the value, which is basically just, again, you can check it with the log base thing. Cooper can't check it, but everyone else can check it that way. But if it tells you to use the change of base formula, I'm going to be looking that you rewrite it using the change of base, and then that you write the final answer. So don't just stick it in your calculator over here and think, oh, I have the decimal right, so she's going to give it to me. I'm going to be looking to see that you actually have the change of base formula written correctly of how you would be technically typing it in.
This might be a really stupid question, but will we get told what A, B, and C are?
Yes.
Will they be numbers, or will they be E?
So it just depends. I mean, well, E is a number, but
That's what I meant.
it just depends. They could be numbers, or one of them could be a variable.
Like X.
Just like the way that you'd be writing it, yeah.
Okay.
Like X, Y, something like that. But in most cases, it's going to be a number.
Okay.
The other way we could write this is log base C of A is equal to the ln of A over the ln of C. So Cooper, that's another way you can type it in also. I mean, log and ln are literally side by side on the calculator, so it really doesn't matter. But it'll give you the same answer either way.
So I'm basically in two sentences. Yeah. And then chemistry has math